Here's how to turn screen recordings into training documents automatically. If you've ever had to explain the same process over and over again, you're not alone, and this will save you tons of time. In this example, I'm using Descript to record my screen and get a transcript, and ChatGPT to turn that transcript into a clear step-by-step training guide. Now, this works for any screen recording or transcript, be it Descript, Zoom, Loom, or anything similar. We're just choosing to go with Descript for this tutorial. This is a raw transcript I got from a screen recording I've just made in Descript. It's messy, it's spoken, you can see it's got a bunch of spelling errors. You wouldn't hand this over to someone with confidence, and this is our starting point for our tutorial. Once we've got our transcript in Descript, step 1 is heading back over to ChatGPT and pasting our prompt. This prompt tells the AI to act like an operations manager and turn the spoken walkthroughs into usable documentation. Now that I've got my prompt and my transcript ready, I will copy and paste my transcript into the brackets or upload the file with the file attach option and then hit send. What comes back is a proper training document with a clear title, clear purpose, numbered steps, and key things to remember. You don't have to rewrite and you don't have to format. This saves you about 1 to 2 hours every time you have to document a process, and even more time than every time someone new joins. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.